Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Jain and today I have come up with a special case. I want to showcase you an example of Power Query and Power Automate together for my one very special process. The idea is I manage a YouTube channel of one of my guru, and secondly, I also manage the website of that guru. So now what I want to do is I have uploaded all the videos on YouTube webs, but I forgot to upload videos on website from last 1 month. So I have to upload around 20-25 videos on the website. Idea is the step is very simple that you can take the YouTube video link and click on add video on the website and post it manually. So there are 25 videos to be posted. So what you can do is you can get the video one by one and post it. But now what I want to tell you is if you know Excel, if you know Power Query, and if you know VBA programming and Power Automate, how can you use this technique to make this process smoother? And my idea is to tell you for 25 videos, it may be 1,000 videos you can do it. So let's start. See, this is the website. Well, see, this is the website I'll be using to showcase you how to post the video. So I've uploaded till 22nd April. It's written Hindi, but it is 22nd April. Okay. Now, this is my YouTube channel and I have a playlist of that videos. When I click on this, I can see all my videos over here. So now first idea is that I want to extract the entire list and identify which videos I want to post on the website. Okay. And for that, I will be using Power Query. Now see what I'll do. I'll copy this playlist ID for you. Okay. And now I'll open my Excel. Now I will paste my playlist ID in this. And what Power Query will do, it will get the data from internet with the help of YouTube API. So I click on data and I say refresh all. And when I do this, this video playlist will update it from my new playlist ID I have given. And see, in around fractions of second, we got the updated video list. And now I know that I have already have my videos till 22nd April. So I don't need after that. So I will remove other videos. So if I talk about 22nd April, that is so this 22nd April I already have. So I will remove other this. I'll say delete table rows. Okay. So these are the videos I have to post on my website. Now what I've done is I've created a flow that it will go automatically copy this video ID and go on my website and we'll click on this add video button and we'll paste this video ID and submit the button. So this process will be done automatically for all the videos. That is the idea. Okay, fine. So let's do this. So what I need to do is first of all, I'll save this Excel and close it. I will ask Power Automate to do this manual process. So here is my Power Automate, which says, and now I'll start run this flow. See, it has opened the website in front of you. Now it's pasting the video and clicking the submit button and website post done. Now it's opening the second video and it's posting again. Done. Done. So what I did actually, I posted in the reverse order. I should have taken from last to first, but I just posted from first to last. Anyways, let's see. It's doing. So it's opening again and doing. So this is the automation you all can use. What I've done, see, I first downloaded the YouTube list in my Excel with the help of Power Query. And now Power Automate is reading the data from Excel file and posting manually on the website. This is amazing. And see, these type of tasks you can do. So what I say, it is important to understand the use of Excel. It is important to know the understanding the logic of programming. Now I have written this code without the programming, interestingly, because in Power Automate, you just drag and drop the logics. So if you understand VBA programming, you can use Power Automate. And if you know Power Query, you can get the data from internet. So which is the combination which I have done. Let's see how many are left. This is amazing. I was thinking to tell you all these things. So I just thought, let's make a video live and do the thing in front of you. I would like to know your comments. Did you liked it? How was it? And is it amazing or not? Just tell me. See, I think the flow has been completed. So I'll open this website and I will refresh this website now. See, when I refresh this website, you will see now more videos have been added. Amazing. So this is magic you can do with the help of Power Query, Power Automate. Hope you like this. Now let me tell you what was the process and see how Power Automate works in this. So see, this is our Excel and this is row number 2 to last row we have to go and column number K which has video links, right? So now what I will do is I'll showcase you the Power Automate. Let me edit the flow. And now let's read the steps. It's very easy. Say, if you want to guide someone how to do the steps, same I am telling to computer. First step is launch Excel, fine. Second is get first free row on the column from Excel worksheet. So it's trying to identify the last row. First row free row means, see, this is the first free row, which is 18th, right? So 18th is the first free row in which column? See, in the column K, get the first tree and I have subtracted by 1 because if there are 18th row, I need only the data till 17th row. Then I started a loop from 2 to last. So 2 to 17, I'm trying to loop it. Now in VB, we write for I equals to 2 to 17. Here I'm writing loop index for. Fine. After that, I'm telling for each this thing from 2 to 17 times, open launch new Chrome and read data from Excel and populate the field in the web form. That was adding video button and press button to the web page, wait for 2 seconds, close the browser and keep doing it for 17 times and then end and then close Excel. Very simple, right? So see, if you have done a programming and learn the logics, now you can apply them by just these drag and drop buttons. These are drag and drop buttons. I would like to know what learning you have gained from this video. Did you find it useful? And do you have some processes which you like to automate like this? Do let me know in the comments. Thank you very much.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.